Unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, more commonly known as drones, have emerged as a transformative technological innovation with a myriad of applications across industries. These aerial vehicles, operated without a human pilot on board, have reshaped traditional concepts of aviation and are revolutionizing the way we approach various tasks. From industrial and agricultural applications to emergency response and surveillance, UAVs have demonstrated their versatility and potential to create a significant impact. UAVs are no longer just tools for enthusiasts or military applications. They have evolved into essential tools for industries seeking efficient and cost-effective solutions. In agriculture, for example, drones equipped with advanced imaging sensors can monitor crops, assess soil health, and precisely apply fertilizers or pesticides. This data-driven approach allows farmers to optimize their practices, increase yields, and reduce environmental impact. Similarly, in the field of environmental monitoring, UAVs enable researchers to gather real-time data on ecosystems, climate patterns, and wildlife populations, contributing to a more comprehensive understanding of our planet's health. One of the most promising aspects of UAVs is their ability to operate in hazardous or hard-to-reach environments, making them invaluable in disaster response and search and rescue missions. Equipped with thermal imaging cameras and other sensors, UAVs can locate survivors, assess damage, and provide critical information to emergency responders, helping save lives and allocate resources more effectively. In situations where human intervention is limited, UAVs offer a lifeline of hope and assistance. The concept of autonomous aircraft takes UAV technology to a new level by integrating advanced artificial intelligence and autonomous capabilities. These aircraft can navigate complex environments, avoid obstacles, and make split-second decisions, all while being remotely monitored or programmed with a specific mission. This autonomy significantly expands the potential applications of UAVs from delivery services to scientific exploration. For instance, autonomous UAVs are being developed for monitoring wildlife, studying weather patterns, and even inspecting hard-to-reach infrastructure such as bridges and power lines. However, along with their remarkable potential comes a set of challenges that must be addressed. Regulatory frameworks for UAV operations, concerns about air traffic management, and issues related to privacy and data security are some of the key considerations. Striking a balance between fostering innovation and ensuring safety is a complex task that requires collaboration between technology developers, policymakers, and various stakeholders. In conclusion, UAVs and autonomous aircraft have ushered in a new era of aerial capabilities and possibilities. These innovative technologies are not only changing the way industries operate, but also have the potential to impact our daily lives in profound ways. As we continue to explore and refine the applications of UAVs, it is imperative that we approach their development with responsibility, mindful of both their vast potential and the ethical considerations that accompany them.